In this video, I'm going to be working out an individual integral. It's going to be a straightforward integral that's going to use u-substitution along with just one simple trig identity that we need to switch out. We're trying to integrate 1 over tangent x dx. Alright, so the first thing is to make sure you know all of your different trig identities so you can do lots of substitutions. Tangent, alright, is sine over cosine. So I'm going to make that first substitution before I do anything. So I'll have the integral of 1 over, replacing tangent with what it equals. I'll have a sine x over a cosine x, and then dx. Alright, now what that did was that created that complex fraction right there, and we don't want a complex fraction, so I'm going to multiply through by the least common denominator. Alright, that least common denominator is going to be cosine, so I'm going to multiply by cosine x and multiply by cosine x. What that does is that eliminates this fraction in the bottom because your cosines are going to cross out. So then that's going to get me down to the integral of a cosine x all over a sine x and then dx. Alright, now here it becomes a straight u substitution. So let's let our u be the sine x. I take the derivative of both sides. I'll have a du is equal to cosine x dx. And then generally I go ahead and solve for that dx. So then we'll have a du over cosine x is equal to dx. So we've done that u substitution. Come back up to that original problem and we'll make some substitutions here. Alright, so we're still going to have the integral. Alright, cosine x is going to stay there. The sine x we said was u, so I'm going to replace that with a u. Then I've got my dx, and replacing that with the du over the cosine x. That then allows you to do the cosine x and cross those out. That'll leave you with the integral of 1 over u du. Alright, this is one you should have memorized as being the natural log absolute value of u. So we are ready to integrate. Natural log absolute value of u. Since I've now integrated, I can add the plus c, and then the last step would be to take that u and replace for what we originally said it was going to be. So natural log absolute value sine x plus c. So pretty much a very straightforward u substitution. About the only thing you need to do to get yourself started was to make that trig substitution and then simplify that complex fraction. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and to stay up with notifications, hit that bell. Thanks.